What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. This is Michi and this vlog is the continue. Ito yung continue ng previous vlog ko, which is the biglaang shopping with my babies. So ito, hindi ko na na-haul yung guys, yung mga nabili ko kasi I was so tired. I was super tired. So I decided na ibang clip na lang, ibang vlog na lang na show ko yung I can share with you what I got from Ayala. So, ayan. Ito yung first one. Bali, hindi talaga shopping yung guys, yung reason kung bakit ako pumunta ng Ayala because I was planning na makikita na kami ng mga babies ko. Babies, Marge and Jessa. Tapos, we will just chit-chat, chika-chika, tapos inom-inom ng coffee, tapos ganyan. Then, my main point then is yung in-order ko na fairy lights from Miss Beverly Oy. Hi, Miss Beverly Oy! Thank you for the fairy lights. So nice. Tsaka, super ganda niya. I was so starstruck. Ito yung fairy lights. Then, medyo nagre-regret ako kasi it's too short. I can't design what I want. I can't decorate what I want kasi it's too short. It's my fault. Tapos so without further ado, let's get into it. Ito na yung unang nabili ko guys. Kasi naman kasi when you are with your girls guys, I mean girlfriends, talagang mapapalingin kayo kahit saan kapag may girly stuff. Then yun nga, addict lang sa mga bags ng bachata. So ito yung first na nabili ko, which is from Bershka. Guys, I've been wanting this kind of shoes guys for so long kasi nga uso siya. Then I've been wanting the black one. Tapos nakita ko to, I was so amazed ng kulay. So nice, diba? It's not common. It's not really common kasi wala ako nakitang ganitong kulay na nagsusuot dito sa Cebu. Only black and some other stuffs. I mean, some other colors. Ito yung sa loob niya, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Super durable. Ayan. Ito yung accent niya sa likod. It's so nice. Grabe. I just so love it. Super simple but elegant. Ayan. Yung niya, guys, yung cloth na ginamit, parang silky type. I'm not really good in describing, so ayan. Then medyo pricey siya guys, but it's worth it. It is 1,790. Pero worth it siya guys, ay super. Kasi yung loob niya, yung loob niya guys, super smooth as in. Hindi talaga makakalyo, tapos comfortable ka talagang suotin to. By the way, my size is 35 if US ba? 35. It's 5. Ang liit lang talaga ng pako guys. And by the way guys hindi ko to sinishare sa inyo to brag the things that I can afford, the things that I got, the things that I want to buy, the things that I bought. I just want to share this to all the girls out there na pwede namang mapag-ipunan to guys. Uy, if pinag-ipunan ko naman to. I've been working for this one para bumili ng mga stuffs that I need. So, ayan. Bali, I just want to share this one to all the girls out there para naman malaman nila na may products na I mean, may items na pala may items na pala na ganito sa shop na to, tapos ganito. Baka nung unang visit ko sa store na to, walang ganito. So, just giving a knowledge ba sa mga girls out there na may ganito pala sa Bershka, may ganito pala sa yun na yun, tapos na yun, period. Then, the next one, I pair this with kuan guys. Ito pala, kuan. Ito pala, pwede mong i-pair ng mga, leggings, pants, and shorts. So nice, maong, super nice, cool, comfy lang, comfy look. Then, I pair it with leggings. And it's so amazing na I'm so lucky then na magkakulay sila guys. Ito, super sexy. Yan. I've been wanting to buy also a leggings kasi I'm planning to work out kasi mataba na yung mataba na si Mayara. Mataba na tapos but then I've been planning to buy a leggings Adidas tapos wala akong makita. Merong black pero ayoko kasi super I bought the short one pala hindi yung leggings. So eto, the great part of this leggings is eto guys, yung dulo may letters S. Akala ko may meaning. It's random letters lang pala. STR. Churba. So nice guys. Grabe, so smooth. Tsaka malamig sa it's so nice kasi pila naman to ka nice ako na ingon. It's so this is super nice. Kasi you can pair it with the shoes. Ayan guys, when you pair it, ganito yung kalabasan niya, diba? It's so cool. Ayan. Super cool. Talagang worth it guys. By the way, this is also expensive. Expensive talaga as a leggings na kasi may mabibili ka naman 300. Ito guys, it's 895. 5 pesos na lang, 900 na. But still, it's worth it guys kasi I'm buying things guys kahit na mahal. Basta yung quality niya pasok sa aking standards. So, ayan. Then, the next one would be my favorite bags. Ito guys. Pinuwersa talaga akong bilhin to guys. Kasi, yung mga babies ko, nakita nila ito. May pagwami niya ito, Aldo. Ito guys, Aldo. Sana sponsored to. Para maraming bags. Ay, nako. Tapos, ito yung first na bag, guys. This is super nice. Wait lang, guys, ha. I'm having a hard time. Super nice. Yung malak. Super nice. This one, it's a backpack. I've been wanting to buy a backpack, guys, kasi gusto kong mapasok lahat yung mga gamit ko. Kapag ako yung dinala ng bag, guys, grabe, parang buong bahay ko nang dinala ko. Pero ayun, nakita ko to sa Aldo. And by the way, guys, kapag bags, I mean, my favorite color is black. Pero when it comes to bag, guys, I think nag-iiba yung taste ko. Kasi, I shift into this kind of colors or something like beige, pink, flesh, I don't know bakit nag-iba yung taste ko sa guys, sa color when it comes to bag. So, ayan. So nice, guys. But it's expensive. Nabus na akong busta. This is, may resibo, guys. Wait lang. This is so expensive, guys. Sorry, mahal. Naka-shopping ako. This is 3,495. But it's worth it. Ayoko masira siya, guys. By the way, meron naman akong meron naman akong mga bags na binili ko sa Singapore pero I didn't use it. I keep it because nag-hoard talaga ako ng mga bag, guys. And ayoko silang ayoko sila i-use kasi ayoko madumihan, ayoko maluma, ayoko ano ba yun sa Tagalog, maupak guys, ma-peel off. I don't wanna see them being damaged, so ayun, kinipot ko lang yung nabili ko sa Singapore, by the way, sa Charles & Keith yun. Tapos ito na nga, a new bag na naman, tapos ayoko naman gamitin. ito na, so love it. Then the next one is, ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko guys. Favorite ko guys, cause this is the bag that we first saw nung pumasok kami sa Aldo. We were just super stunned by this bag. Super girly, super. Ay, nako, ito na. Excited din kayo, no? Ito na. Ano masasabi nyo, guys? This is super nice. Super. Super elegant. Super rich tignan. Super madam tignan sa gold. Ito may pagka-rose gold to. And then, ayan, may golden dito sa upper part. Dito. Then, ito yung sling niya. Halfway lang yung yung chain. Tapos dito, anong tawag dito? Strap back. Then guys, nakakatawa kasi sa Aldo, I'm having a hard time kung paano to i-open. Akala ko, you pull this one up. Yun pala, ang tagal ko talagang na-figure out na ganito lang pala pag-open guys. Siya nga lang. Yan, yung loob niya guys. Malaki naman guys. Mapapasok yung I mean, you can put your wallet, your makeup. Okay. Ayoko talaga to nasira. Yung mga gold ba, magpakupak, mag-peel off. Mahal pa naman. I just wanna collect you. Hindi. I will still use this one kung may mga event, but I don't want to use it kung mag-mall. Kaya rin masira guys. This one guys, it cost wait lang ha, 2,895. Halos magkasing katulad na nito. Tapos ang liit nun. But still, it's worth it, guys. It is really worth it. When you invest something na investment ba tawag dito? Ewan ko, or shopaholic lang. Yun. I just love these. And I hope, guys, you enjoy watching this video. Kahit na, all girl stuffs, mga boys dyan na nanonood. Just enjoy. Pwede kayong makakuha ng ng idea kung saan yung bibilhan yung mga girlfriend nyo pag anniversary, monthsary, whatsoever, date. Yun. Diba? So, yun guys. Para akong nawala sa utak na mental block kasi ito na naman, nakikita ko na naman sila because yesterday, I keep it. Hindi ko inopen para hindi ko makita kung gano'n sila kaganda. Kaya, ayun. So, did I say shout out to Miss Beverly Uy, which is the owner of this? Nakalimutan ko talaga, guys. So, ayun, guys. Thank you for watching my video about what I got from, shopping. So, ayun, guys. Hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Then, mag-comment kayo down below. Leave your lovely comments down below, guys. I will surely read it. I will, sakit, nag-cram yung tail ko. I will surely read those comments. Then, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel so that you can be part of my Mitch family. And please, guys, please, na naman, please click the bell button right down there so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video, guys, para updated naman kayo, guys, para naman palagi tayong nagkikita kahit na through camera lang. So, ayan. And I hope you like my video. Please, guys, leave your comments ha kung ano gusto nyo i-video ko sa next vlog. So, ayun. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Love you.